In this video, we shall see how you can earn money by growing lucerne fodder by drip irrigation. Lucerne is also called by alfalfa and medicago sativa as a scientific name. Lucerne is a leguminous fodder which is generally fed to the laboratory animals like guinea pig, rabbit, hamsters, including different livestock like horse, cattle, and buffaloes. Guinea pig, rabbit, and hamsters are mainly used for the research purpose by different research and development companies and government institutes. There are many authorized laboratory animal suppliers who generally supply to these research institutes and private farms. But these laboratory animals rares cannot grow the lucerne grass on their own on regular basis. Since lucerne is inevitable in majority of the laboratory animal feeding regime, commercial supply of this fodder can be a commercial venture. By supplying this lucerne fodder can be made as a commercial venture by the farmers who are present in and around urban and peri-urban areas. But practically growing this lucerne by these animal rears is difficult. It is therefore we will discuss step by step how lucerne can be grown by drip irrigation. Lucerne contains 15 to 20 percent crude protein, and that's why it is called leguminous fodder. Once it is sown, it can be used for 2 years, and that's why it's called as a perennial crop. Now let us see how to grow the lucerne. The first and foremost important step is land preparation. The land preparation is more like for any other crop. Either we can go for cultivator or disc plow first and then level it. Spread the farmyard manure if you have it. Otherwise, you can go for the single superphosphate application. Next step is sowing. This depends on which method of sowing you are going to follow it. If it is by broadcasting, then we have to make bunds so that irrigation can be done by flood system. If it is by sprinkler or drip irrigation, then it can be done by the line method. So if you are going for the line method, then make the lines using the bullocks. There should be 1.5 to 2 feet distance between the two lines. Seed rate is 2 to 3 kg per acre. However, it depends upon the type of sowing which you are going to follow in your farm. Irrigation. Either you can go for the flood system if bund system is made, but we are mainly emphasizing on the sprinkler or drip irrigation because of water scarcity. Based on our own experience, drip is far better than the sprinkler system. If you are going for the drip system, then lateral drip lines can be laid between the two lines. These drip pipe should have a inbuilt holes for the proper dripping. Generally, you can see the germination after 4 to 5 days. Weeding can be done manually. Cascata is the main weed, which becomes an hindrance for the luxurious growth. Once it grows to the height of 1.5 feet, we can go for the harvesting, and the first cut generally it comes around 45 to 50th day, and subsequent cuts can be it can be between 20 to 30 days depending upon the climate and irrigation system. Yield, it depends upon the season and climate. During the cold weather, yield will be more. The average yield will be 400 to 700 quintal per hectare. To conclude this video, uh, lucerne is a leguminous and perennial fodder crop which can be used for laboratory animals and domestic animals as well.